Hey, it's Ryan Castle here with my friend Patrick Pallas from PallasLaw.com. Patrick, for literally years now, you and I have been discussing IMEs and how unfair they are to injured workers and the terrible things that happen to people in these IMEs and the process they have to go through. But, here we are in 2016 and they're still happening, aren't they?
They are. And Ryan, I think it's just our job. I think the Department of Labor and Industries would rather that you not know exactly how these work. And I thank you because we're making this public. We're letting people know what's really going on at the Department of Labor and Industries. Listen to this. This is craziness. If the department says you have to go to an IME, and they can just choose anybody they want and just make anybody go, it's what they do. If you go to see one of these doctors that's hired by them
supposedly
to cut costs,
independent medical examinations.
Right. Independent in quotes, right? When you go there, this doctor can close the door, and it's just you, and it's just him. No videotape, no audio tape. You can't bring in a doctor to watch. You can't bring in a legal representative or your lawyer to be there to make sure your rights are being protected. It is a secret exam that's done behind closed doors, and you have no recourse. To me, in this day and age, that's ridiculous.
That's crazy. I mean, even if you're arrested for a crime, you at least get to have an attorney present, right?
Right. You can't have your attorney here. You can't have any kind of protections. It's just your word versus that doctor if that doctor did something wrong or didn't do what they were supposed to do or just made up a ridiculous opinion that's not true. And how about this? Why is it that the Department of Labor Industries isn't giving the credibility due to your own attending doctor who knows you, who's treated you, and is there to help you and has the obligation as a doctor to do no harm and to take care of his or her patient, right?
They pay these IME doctors a lot of money too, don't they?
They do. It's like an IME doctor lottery ticket. They can charge $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 or more to do these things. They can do 5, 8, 10 a day. They're just cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching right off the backs of injured workers.
So Patrick, say I get a notice in the mail, I need to go to an IME in 10 days. What do I do? And what's to stop me from just not showing up?
Yeah, you don't want to get that call almost every day, Ryan. That's exactly right. You get that letter. What do? Well, heads up. If you don't go, you take the risk that the department is going to cut off your benefits, cut off your time loss, suspend your case. Big loss. I mean, they got a big stick out there, which is why, if that happens.
It sounds like a lose-lose, though. If I go, they're going to cut me off, potentially. If I don't go, they're going to cut me off, potentially.
That's right. It's why we look at this on a case-by-case basis. Sometimes we tell our clients, don't go. You got nothing to lose, only to win. And sometimes we say, you should go to this one, and here's why. It just depends on the case. But if you just simply go and don't know anything about IMEs, or if you just don't go and take the risk, those aren't good ideas.
Inform yourself and empower yourself. Whether you're hurt on the job or off the job, contact Patrick Pallas at PallasLaw.com.